Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I've got something on Instagram I want y'all to go take a look at. It is called Ipsy Trade. It is a new thing where you can go if you want to trade or want a particular item. They're going to have them on this Instagram, and I'm about to tell you a little bit about it. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos, and sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, if you would take the time to go ahead and hit that little subscribe button and that little bell, that way you don't miss out on a thing. Alright guys, now to read the first comment on my last video, which was my Yes Oh Yes September spoilers. Congratulations, Betty Boop Wolf. Betty says, I'm back, Mandy. Love you, sis. Well, thank you so much, Betty. I love you too. And I really appreciate you having your bell on and taking the time to comment and watch my videos. And I love you so, so much. And if you yourself want to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment on this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first comment, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Alright now guys, now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I picked from that video. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump into this. So it is called Ipsy Trade, and again, it's on Instagram. Now, let me tell you what it's about. It's a trade post, and it'll be starting up September 14th. Wait a minute, is it September? It started, ain't it? And every month, they're going to have trade posts for all 3 of the Ipsy bags. You'll get standard, you'll get plus, and ultimate items will be on this. And what you do is you comment the item you want or the item you want to trade on one of these posts. You can trade out your items. Now, this thing shows trades, it shows point items, it shows shopper deals from Ipsy, it shows all kinds of stuff, and I really ought to think y'all need to go check it out. Alright, so I'm going to read y'all the rules, and oh, by the way guys, at the end of this video, I've got a confirmation for the ultimate bag. So here are the trade rules. I'm going to post them up here so y'all can kind of look through them, but what you want to do is when you get on this Instagram thing, if there's a particular item you're looking for, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to go through those posts and see if you can find that same item. Or if you find somebody that is wanting an item that you're wanting to trade, I mean, that's another way. And that way it'll save you time instead of posting every single little thing you want or you want to trade. All right, so you're going to find a post with the items that you're wanting or that you're wanting to trade. Then you're going to comment on that post. Now, you got to be specific on the item, the shade, the condition, new or used, is it swatched? And that's if you're trade, you know what I mean? That's if you're wanting to trade an item. And then what you do is you're going to find a trade buddy. You're going to message them. If there's that one certain person that's got the item that you want to trade, you message them, and then you can exchange your info on shipping or meeting if it's locally or whatever y'all agree on. Now, y'all also got to agree on a date and time to ship or to meet or whatever, and then you provide each other with tracking and a receipt. I mean, that's simple. And also, guys, now I do want to mention this, that this Ipsy account, this Ipsy Instagram account is not going to be responsible for any losses. So be aware and be very cautious. You know what I mean? And there's also right here some rules on safe trading. It's something about PayPal. Y'all have to look at that to figure that one out. It's on Instagram. Again, it's Ipsy Trade. You know, y'all need to go check this out, guys. It's pretty damn neat. Now, I'm going to show you the shopper deals that they were showing on there. I think these are pretty neat. Now, first is the Elemis Superfood Trio for $16, and you get that Elemis bag with it. The second thing is R&Co Gemstone Color Shampoo and Conditioning Set. That's $44. Then next, we're looking at the Han Hu Watermelon Illuminator Duo, $16, y'all. Then next is Beauty Sleep. Now, this has got a bunch of different stuff in it. I think there's 5 different items. It looks like it's got a couple of the Glam Glow Mask, a Pure Lease item. There's other items right there. I can't really tell what they are, but this is $16.50. Then next is this. This looks flawless for some reason to me. It's the Illamasqua Beyond Powder Highlighter. It's $21. Then the next thing is the Haley's Beauty Primer and Cleansing Stick Duo. You can get that for $15. Then last is the Endless Summer Pack. There's 14 items. I see Huda Beauty, Pure Lease, Pixie, Ofra, Man, I see all kinds of stuff in there. Now, that package is $59.99, and this should be something you should find on your Ipsy account. Now, guys, for the confirmation, they did confirm that every single bag that is the standard, the plus, and the ultimate bags, they will all be the same exact bags. They'll have the same things on them and everything. They're just going to be different sizes. So that was confirmed by Ipsy. Now, guys, again, if you wanted to trade items out, or if you're looking for items that you could trade for, or whatever you want to do, I think you ought to go over there and give this Instagram account a follow. Go check them out and see what's going on. I found it to be very interesting. I'll be on there myself. And as always, if you want to check out Ipsy, they are linked below. And if they reveal any more spoilers, of course I'm going to keep you guys updated. Guys, to read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Minerva's out. Minerva just put a period, which I love. I absolutely love that statement. Go show I can pick any comment, y'all. Well, Minerva, thank you so much, honey, for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. Now, again, remember, guys, if you want to get a shout out, you got to leave a comment right here on this video. And, guys, make sure you're subscribed. Still subscribe to my channel. YouTube's taking away my subs, my views, my likes, everything. They're trying to ruin my life. So, please, if you would double check, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you haven't, what the hell are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I need y'all to rate the video, but y'all just got one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. I mean, really, it just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. Then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure that notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss no more spoilers. I don't want to see no comments down there saying, I didn't see no damn spoilers. Honey, if you would have had your bell on, you would have seen it. And that's it, guys. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.